chatter. Nimesh is with us as always with the latest from dealing rooms. So Nimesh, I think perhaps, it's not too bad, right? Considering the global onslaught, we're trying to get through with just a 0.5% cut.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, it's a good sign that despite such a bad global Q, we are not falling as much as what the other global markets are. So in a way, it's a positive thing. And this is the fact that there is buying interest from larger FIs as well. Institutions are on the buy side. We saw yesterday as well, though there was a block data, but still both the FIs and DIs were net buyers. Same is the case today as well. I understand there is a small market at close basket buying at yielding FI desk. It's limited to select stocks, but there is indeed MOC buy flow, is what I understand. I guess what's positive for India is also the fact that the crude has fallen sharply. So that's positive at the margin as far as macros are concerned. And we're seeing this in the stocks as well, right? All the crude beneficiary stocks are doing good. And within that, it's the OMCs which continues to be well bid. It's been part of my dealing with feedback for the last couple of days that at least the OMCs are well bid by large institutions. So there is clear interest in buying into the OMC stocks even at this level. So that's clearly playing out. As I said, from a flow perspective, there is buying support despite large blocks. You highlighted about a large block in Mastech as well. I understand it's a clean out trade, so the seller is completely cleaned out. I still haven't got a feedback on who the buyers could be. Maybe the disclosures could be interesting there, but there was a large block in Mastech as well. So in a way, it's a good thing that despite weak global Qs, we are not falling as much as what the global markets are.
Nimesh, hi, afternoon. So Mastech is one stock we'll watch closely. What else?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is DCW. A big move in that stock and in large volumes as well. Even yesterday, there was a high delivery-based buying happening, and I understand some large HN investors are quite active buyers in DCW of late. In fact, since the announcement of that anti-dumping on CPVC, all the stocks have done well, and so is DCW. So that's the first name. The second stock is R Systems. This could be quite interesting. This is now owned by private equity, but I understand there could be a large block in R Systems very soon. The funds have been sounded off, so maybe it's around the corner and you'll see a large block in R Systems. The third stock is Nazara. Again, it's been buzzing off late, but the feedback is that maybe also there is some acquisition in the cards, but there could be fundraising as well, largely via preferential issue, is what I understand in Nazara Tech. So that's the third name. The fourth is Sona BLW. I saw some reports about they're looking at an acquisition as well, maybe the rail business of escorts. But from a fundraising point of view, I understand the company is likely to raise funds via QIP, and that might come in the next couple of days.
Thank you very much for that, Nazara.